Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X4 GT, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. Now to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel, or technically the toggle, which is located on the right side of the phone, right from the top. And once you do so, you'll see a bunch of toggles. We're looking for obviously the portable hotspot, so let's locate that. So for me, it is located right over here. So once you find your toggle, do not click on it just yet. The reason for this is when you hold it, it will take you to the settings, and in here you'll find the option to set it up. Now the most important part right here will be the actual password. So let's see, set up portable hotspot, and here you have your password. You can tap to view it, but obviously you can see that this password is absolutely trash, so we can remove it and set our own. Now password does need to have 8 characters in length, which you can see right here. There we go. At which point you will be able to save the settings. So that's honestly the only thing that I recommend changing. Everything else is set so it works best for everybody. Or maybe not best, but works for everybody. And from here, once you have changed the password, you don't need to ever go back to the settings. So whenever you want to actually use your hotspot, just find the toggle once more, click on it, and that's it. Hotspot is now enabled. And once you're done with your hotspot, you can turn it off quickly by again finding the toggle, tapping on it once more, and this will turn it off. So that is how you can set up and use your hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.